Yeah, testing 1, 2. Quick audio test. I don't know. I've been having problems on my live feed with the audio on Instagram, so I'm doing a dry check right now to make sure it's not a problem with the app or a problem with my equipment. Hopefully, this will come out crystal clear and everything is all right on this Friday night here in Montgomery, Alabama. How y'all feeling out there, yo? You know, y'all ready to talk? I'm ready to talk, yo. I hope y'all ready to talk because we gonna talk. And, we gonna make it do what it do out here for real. So like I said, quick audio test. I heard some pops and clicks when I went live on Instagram, so I want to make sure I got everything proper over here. All right, y'all stay tuned. Peace.